Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. It is currently 3 p.m. in the afternoon. I just woke up. Love that. It is New Year's Eve, so I'm going to be getting ready for New Year's Eve. Alright, hi guys. I am back at my makeup desk. So, I start off using my moisturizer. And this is my moisturizer. It's pretty freaking nice. I put that everywhere on my face. Moisturizer always helps. And then I put on these ears so I can see my base better, which is my face. Okay, I let that dry. I go in using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer.
I just take about that much on my hand.
Do that. I take my beauty blender and I put some of the NYX foundation of mine on my back of my hand. Oh, my insecurities. Oh, God. I look ridiculous with these on, but you know what? It's how it be. Get it, Buzz? I take my contour stick by Fenty Beauty in the color Mocha. It's so pretty. And I apply that on top of my cheekbones to give me the snatched effect. And then I do my eyebrows next so that I can use concealer and make them look pretty. And I am going to be drawing my eyebrows on. So I've just about given up on fixing my eyebrows. And I'm just going to be carving out my eyebrows to make them look just better. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this handy dandy mirror. In no way are my eyebrows twins nor sisters, but yeah, I'm just gonna stay from afar. So yeah, no way are my eyebrows twins nor sisters, but that's okay, I wasn't. So I just put concealer on my face right here. Now be careful if you do have this concealer, it is very thick, sheet thick, so just be careful with it. I do it, and then I take my little beauty blender and I blend out my concealer and put it on the lid. She looks a little rough, not gonna lie. Now I'm back and better than ever. So, usually next, I'm going to take my Fit Me light loose powder. I did it in a light shade just so it gives that light to me. And I take a dry beauty blender and I just place that under my eyes where I put the concealer. And I put it underneath my cheekbones. See, it gives that, oh my god! I'm probably going to be using my 35V Morphe Stunning Vibes palette that I got for Christmas. It looks a little like this. So I am going to be wearing like a light blue little things. I'm going to be taking, all of my brushes are dirty, by the way. I am so lazy. So now that we have the powder on my face, so don't judge me. I might not get the results I'm looking for, but you know what? Oh well. So I'm going to put Go Nude from the 35V palette. And I'm just gonna put it on my lid. Like I said, none of my brushes are clean, so I deserve this. I don't even know what freaking color this is either, because these aren't from this palette. I'm going to be using a different brush and different colors, and I am going to see what I can do with this blue. I think I'm going to mix Devoted and Hit It Off from the 35V Morphe palette. And I'm going to take those two together. What brush should I do it on? So I originally took, with a different brush that was not clean, I took this color and it's Go Nude. And it turned like this. Or I might change my mind. So do a little cut crease. So I have colors on my crease. Yes, bold colors. Yay, love that. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking another Morphe brush. This just looks right before I cut crease. And I'm going to be taking Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to just put it on the back of my hand so that I have where to grab from. Whatever. So I am going to be taking this brush, and I'm going to be taking Alright, so that is Devoted, Hit It Off, and Fling. Now I have to decide what shimmer color I want to put on the lid, because I feel like that would work best, and I am going to be taking this little Morphe brush right here. I'm going to grab Stud, which is this really pretty blue shimmery color right there, and I'm going to put that on the cut crease real quick, because this is not what I was going for. I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush, taking Ride or Die and Renderous, and on my brush, and I am going to be packing that on top of Stud. Take Knockout and put that on the inner corner. Alright, hi guys, so we are going to take off the baking stuff. I like to draw a little line with my handy dandy eyeliner. I drew a little line. Now I'm going to get my eyelashes out, and I'm going to take my glue, the Duo clear glue, and I'm going to put it on my lashes. My lashes look like these, just some I got for Christmas. And then I'm going to start to finish the rest of my face. Use some blush. I'm going to take my little Ecos Tools brush. And then I'm going to put some mascara on before you put on the lashes. Alright, so the mascara is applied, and I'm going to be putting on the lashes. Hopefully they don't look stupid. Now these lashes are on as well. I just love lashes. That side you are. So that is that, and I'm going to be finishing off the look with some highlighter and contour. I'm going to take my Morphe M405 brush and dip it into the Sephora contour palette, and I'm going to put it on my cheekbones. Girl looking snatched. And I'm going to be doing this right here and all over my forehead, making me look a little bit tanner than I actually am. Because it's pale season, y'all. Oh, it's a little rough. Little bit rough. Because it's New Year's Eve, I am going to be taking my ColourPop highlighter in the shade Honeymoon. It's so beautiful. It has a little bit of like a purpley-ish, bluish tone. I'm going to be taking my lip gloss that I got, and then I'm going to be putting that on my lips. And here is the final look. So this is my eyeshadow makeup look for tonight, New Year's Eve, and I am going to be back with the outfit and the hair, so I'll be back. So this is my little outfit from before, and this is my fit for New Year's. So hi guys, so I'm going to put my hair into a slick ponytail. this is my ponytail. I'm going to be spraying down. Oh, you gotta take out some of these and put the rest behind. Make it a little cute. This is what it turned out to look like. So this is the final look, and yeah. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Put a like and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye y'all.